Hello, friends. Garinago from all over the world: Nicaragua, Honduras, Guatemala, Belize, the US, the diaspora. I know that transformation has always been a part of our culture, a part of our very survival, depending on how much transformation that we have done and are still committed to do. This November, we celebrate Garifuna Settlement Day and Garifuna Heritage and awareness. I believe that it is timely for us to remember the importance of transformation. Hence this particular wood sculpture, which is made from rosewood. I spent about 4 months working on it, and it in itself is what we as a people have gone through constantly in transformation, constantly innovating, constantly looking at the world, analyzing it, and see exactly how best we can fit in and contribute to humanity like our ancestors before us, our African ancestors, our indigenous ancestors, and everybody who have contributed to our survival, development, and progress. I want to say happy November 19th to all Garinago, and much love to everyone around the world. Thank you very much. Ceremony.